Hi everybody, welcome to the Master Flow Plumbing YouTube channel. Today we are going to actually talk about how to repair a broken closet flange, toilet flange if you will. This particular one, if you look at it, I'm at a customer's house right here and it's got a broken ear right here, and this is right where the bolts go in. So if I try to over tighten that or tighten that down without fixing this, that's going to just pull loose and break off completely. So I'm going to show you folks today a quick, easy way to fix this. What we're going to do is we're actually going to use these plastic bolts today, and we're going to use what they call a spanner flange to actually repair this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go ahead and insert this bolt into here like this. I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it in place right here. I'm going to make sure that this is all nice and centered. And we're going to go ahead and get some screws right here, some self-tapping screws, and we're going to just run them right through that plastic. This is probably the simplest way to repair this without getting into a great big ordeal and going down into the basement and cutting out ceilings and all kinds of stuff. So what I'm going to do here is just going to put a screw in right there. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Put a screw in right there like that. And there we go, folks. We actually have a repaired closet flange here. Now we can go ahead and put our toilet back in. Thanks for watching today. I'd like to go ahead and ask you to click the subscribe button in the lower right hand corner, and you folks have a great day.